Ladies and gentlemen, a new American icon has been born. The new, very limited 2026 Corvette Stars and Steel Edition. So today, Chevy has dropped something major, a celebration of 2.5 centuries in the making. And for Corvette fans, this isn't just another trim package or a paint option or a fancy special edition. This is the very first Stars and Steel Corvette built to honor America's 250th anniversary. And only 250 of these bad boys will ever exist across the entire lineup from Stingray all the way to ZR1X. That's it, 250 total. So sit back and relax because this is America's sports car, reimagined for America's milestone moment. And I think this is amazing that Chevy decided to help celebrate this enormous achievement by our great republic. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chance to own the most powerful Corvette ever built. A 2026 Corvette ZR1 with the brand new interior and a 1,064 horsepower twin turbo monster that blasts from 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds. This ZR1 is finished in red mist metallic with a natural dipped leather interior. And the best part, it comes with an extra $25,000 cash to help with taxes and supports 4 incredible charities, including the Auburn Cord Duesenberg Automobile Museum, Tri Industries, Stand for the Troops, and Toys for Tots. So don't wait. This giveaway ends soon. And because you are a Brink of Speed watcher, you'll receive 2x bonus entries when you click my link below in the description or pinned comment. So enter now and win yourself a beautiful ZR1. Chevrolet is calling this the Stars and Steel Collection, and it's more than just Corvette. This is a curated, patriotic lineup stretching across 5 vehicles: the Corvette, the Silverado EV, Silverado LD, Silverado HD, and Colorado. Each one is built here in the United States. Each one carries a unique combination of colors, graphics, and premium upgrades. But the Corvette, that's the crown jewel. And Chevy is launching all of this during one of America's most iconic annual moments, the Army-Navy game, which will be December 13th this year. That's when the world will get their first look. But today, you're getting a full breakdown from Brink of Speed. But here's the real conflict, the part most Corvette people aren't ready for. As you know, we are staring at a Corvette market that has become unpredictable. Between the EV future, rising performance expectations, and the pressure to make every trim more exclusive, Chevy had to decide. How do you honor 250 years of a nation without compromising the legacy of the Corvette? They could have mailed it in, a paint job, a badge, a limited edition sticker, but they didn't. They made something with meaning. This beautiful Stars and Steel Corvette gets a full-length American flag-inspired stripes, satin silver or satin black, 250 graphics on the doors, special plaque and sill plates with your unique build number, choice of Arctic white with Santorini blue interior, or black with the adrenaline red interior, with red accents everywhere, seat belts, stitching, brake calipers, and even an edge red engine cover on select models, black gloss, carbon flash, or even carbon fiber wheels depending on the trim, and black exhaust tips to finish it off. Those are all things I think we can all agree on are gonna look great. So this is not subtle, this is not quiet. This is a Corvette meant to be seen. And remember, just 250 total across every trim: Stingray, Z06, E-Ray, ZR1, and ZR1X, all fighting for their slice of the 250 mark. This will become one of the rarest modern Corvettes ever produced. But Chevy didn't stop there. They created a true one-of-one masterpiece, a single, one only 2026 Corvette ZR1X with the Stars and Steel, going to auction at Barrett-Jackson in Scottsdale, Arizona. Every penny goes to the Tunnel for Towers Foundation, supporting veterans, first responders, and families of the fallen. And ladies and gentlemen, that's not marketing, that's impact. Now, for those of you watching who love trucks just as much as Corvettes, or maybe more, Chevy didn't ignore you. Each Stars and Steel model carries its own identity and performance upgrades. So for the Silverado EV edition, you get American flag stripes, huge 24-inch high-gloss black wheels, red Brembo 6-piston calipers, black nameplates, Summit white or black exterior, and a sky cool gray interior. For the Silverado LD, you get satin silver or black flag graphics, 22-inch black wheels, Brembo brakes, black exhaust tips, performance intake, blacked out essentials, spray and bed liner, sunroof, and the full convenience package number 2. This is the do everything truck in the lineup. For the Silverado HD, you get a heavy-duty patriotic monster with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel, 20-inch black wheels, Z71 off-road package, max trailering package, gooseneck fifth wheel prep, high clearance steps, soft roll bed cover, plus luxurious upgrades everywhere. And lastly, the Colorado gets satin silver or black stripes, midnight package, sport bar and light bar, 20-inch wheels, tech package, skid plates, spray-on bed liner, red tow hooks, and black rocker protection. So as you can see, this whole lineup is built to look unified, like a garage full of American-made machinery that tells one story. So what do we make of all this? Chevy is doing more than just releasing a special edition. They're marking a historic American milestone, and it's amazing. But they're also reminding everyone that the Corvette, America's sports car, is still built here by American hands after nearly 115 years of the Chevrolet brand. And here's the real takeaway. This Stars and Steel Corvette is not for collectors, not for flippers, not for people who are buying their third limited edition to tuck away. No, this is for someone who understands symbolism and heritage, the weight of a 250-year milestone, and the fact that Corvette has evolved alongside this country. And Chevy is giving back. $250 donated per Stars and Steel vehicle sold, plus the one-of-one ZR1 auction supporting veterans and first responders. That's what ties this whole thing together. To me, this isn't just patriotism painted on metal. It's patriotism with purpose. And in early spring of 2026, production begins. Prices, we don't know that yet. In fact, we don't even know the full pricing of the ZR1X yet. But those 250 Corvettes, they will go instantly. Mark my words. So tell me, if you had the chance to own one of these 250 Stars and Steel Corvettes, which model would you choose? Would you go Arctic White with Santorini Blue or black with the Adrenaline Red? But seriously, what do you guys think? Normally, I don't go for limited editions or special editions because they're not really that limited. They usually make 1,100 of them or even more, or they don't limit them at all, kind of like the anniversary editions. But this is a little different. If you get the right model with this limited edition on it, I think it's going to hold a little more significance than any other limited edition did in the past. But let me know what you guys think below. I truly want to hear your input on this. Let me know if you're as excited about this as I am. And as usual, smash that thumbs up button, smash that hype button, and if you haven't subscribed to BOS yet, which is of course Brink of Speed, make sure to do so, as this is the kind of Corvette news that I'll be able to get out to you as soon as it's available. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys out on the road.